What's up, guys? We are back with another video. Obviously, my family's not with me because they never post with me. But anyway, actually, I'm pretty sure last video they posted with me. Oh well. So, where I am might like look a little different, but it's because I have a special guest. Introducing my bestie to the testy.
That was kind of dumb.
Yeah. But I'm gonna let him do the intro. This is the product.
I'm not showing feet pics, so I'm putting these behind here.
Alright. Okay, bro, you didn't tell him that.
I don't know if you guys have seen me on this channel before. But if you did, my hair was longer.
Yeah.
So yeah.
This is the product we're using. Disclaimer, this product
we have not been paid to advertise.
Yes.
We just do not report us.
Yes, we just want to do this for fun.
This is fun. You may try it at home.
Yeah.
This is the brand we're using. So if you guys want to use it, just go here. Either search them up or just find them in stores.
We just unboxed it, so
yeah. I got this from the first store. They might be at Walmart or whatever. I don't know.
We just came back to get it.
Yeah. So we're gonna be rating this from 5 being the best. So like if it's number 1, we'll put it up here, and like
like number 1, number 2. I might want to scoot that down like a little bit so
you guys can see the flavors.
Yeah, so like it might be back like that, and then the 2 bad ones that we don't like will be back here.
And if anything in the video you didn't like, please comment on this video to tell us how we can fix that problem.
My comments don't work.
What?
I don't know. People can't comment on my channel. It's weird.
Well, send a video telling us.
Yeah, if you want. I don't know how to do that.
I think I can.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright. Okay, I'm sorry. We keep laughing. I know this intro is kind of long. But
yeah, but we've been friends for a long time, so
yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a rainbow sherbet. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can.
Yeah, it looks like you can.
Alright, so first we're going to be rating it on looks, first of all. Stretchiness. Stop!
I almost said taste.
I'm kidding. Smell and what else?
Did you say stretch?
Yeah. Feel. Alright, ready?
Let's smell it first. I love
Here, take a whiff. Alright, let's do the stretch.
See? Oh,
I broke.
I hated that.
Here, feel this. It's not bad.
Ooh, I don't like that. Out of everything
It's
we rated,
soft.
Yeah, definitely. And like, I don't know. It's like too slimy.
I'm not saying the brand is bad.
Is it bad? It's just that one.
Yeah, depends what one you get.
Wait, actually, I want to do the stretch.
Oh, here's this for you guys.
What?
Look at these 2 bubbles. That's their TikTok and their website. There you go.
So you can get these. It's not like it's a bad slime. It's one like the scent is really good though.
Yeah. It tastes like if you went to a pastry shop.
Oh, and the looks. It looks like the ice cream, to be honest. Like,
it's just a little weird.
Yeah, when we first opened this, I thought it was actual ice cream. I'm not even lying.
It's a slime on the
I know. But it looks like actual ice cream.
So where should we put this? We
definitely not
will be
one.
moving. We might.
Yeah,
be
we can
this.
be moving.
I feel like this should be.
I feel like it should be a 3.
A 4. Too soft.
A 4.
And a stretch broke. So.
Oh
a
yeah,
4.
you're right. 4. No, 4 is back.
And 5 will be all the way back here. Like, yeah,
all the way back. But 4 is gonna be right here.
No, 4 should be first, second, third, 4th will be right there in the middle, and then 5 will be back here. We're not rating it yet. Alright, where's...
but I'm gonna move rainbow sherbet over here, so we know we already.
So we can rank it at the end.
Since this is next in line.
Grape popsicle. Here, let me show them. Yeah, grape popsicle. It's a little hard to see.
Just by looking at it, it actually looks pretty, like, cool.
And if you're wondering, how do we have so much light?
We have a light up there.
We have a light over
there, and then we have a light here.
We have one right there that we set up, and then one above us.
Yeah.
It's a little hard to see, but there we go.
Yeah, right there. We have to do all that just to show lights.
It's not that bad.
Ooh, it doesn't really smell like grape. It's more like a popsicle. I only smell the popsicle.
I smell a Sour Patch Kid. Am I wrong?
This looks really good though.
It looks like
nice. Ooh, that's nice.
That's nice. Wait, let me feel.
It doesn't feel bad.
It feels great. Honestly, I wish you guys could like feel it and smell it. But yeah.
It's not a 5. It's probably a 3.
Number 3. I'd say top. It's in top 3s.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what?
Let's go online. Want to do peach next?
Nah. Let's do the middle.
Middle bet. What is it?
Napoleon ice cream scented. I don't know if I just said that right.
Yeah.
But there you go. Sorry for the background.
This is stuff.
If you guys hear any background music, don't worry about it. Not music, but you know what I meant. Here.
Just talking.
Okay. Looks like a chocolate strawberry. In my opinion. I just got some.
Like it was like chocolate filled strawberry.
Yeah. All right. Ready for stretch test?
Is it gonna be good?
Oh my! It went off screen. Show them. Here, I'm gonna redo that for you guys. Look at how high it goes. Ready? Oh crap! Alarm broke.
That's nice.
That stretch. Last time we did it, it broke.
Yeah.
Like when we first got it, we opened it. Of course, we were happy.
Yeah.
Well, I did.
Oh yeah, I did.
Okay.
But that was stretchy.
It has like a.
Cause I came to his house like earlier, so when he came to pick me up, he picked it up.
Yeah.
And then he played with it in the car.
I'm sorry, it's so good. What's Phil? It feels like
Ooh. Feels like
it feels
sandy.
It feels kind of good because of like it's a sticky texture. That's what slime does.
Yeah, it's like sandy. Like it feels sand.
It has like it's because of the stretch. It has like the fibers in it.
Yeah,
that's what the stretch is from.
Yeah, it's like kind of sandy. But we're definitely not giving it a 1.
That might be in the top 3.
Yeah, definitely.
Then number 2. Maybe.
We can go with number 2.
Maybe. Why? Let's do. We did this. We already tried this one because it was in the middle, and why not? So
let's start with this one.
Yeah, let's do that one. Save the best for last. Just so you know, the last one we'll be doing is very berry.
Whoa!
What is
Look
that?
at that.
What is that?
It's sweet peach.
Yeah.
That smells like
It smells like you went to
It smells like a
peach farm.
Like a Sonic peach slushy.
For me, it smells like fresh picked grapes.
All right, no, grapes.
Oh no, bad.
Peaches.
Oranges. Peaches. Mama.
This is the stretch test.
Cheat.
Oh, it kind of broke in the middle. Oh, it kind of. Oh my gosh!
That's crazy.
That went all the way to the top.
Tippy top. All right.
Wait, what was the texture?
Let me feel.
I'm not even lying. It kind of feels like a mango for me. Peach. Sorry, a peach. I forgot the name.
Feels like
It feels like a peach.
feels like the inside of a peach.
Yeah, I can agree with that. Either the outside or the inside.
Yeah.
Now it's time.
Probably the inside. Because it feels
Very,
super
very, very, very.
soft.
Wait, we didn't even. Whoa! Wait, we didn't even rank it.
Well, we'll rank it at the end.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's either a 5 or a 1.
Why would it be a 5?
This one has no scent.
Oh, here, smell right there. There's scent.
Wait.
Here, hold on, I'll take it out.
Oh, I smell it now.
It's like
It smells like the very berry Skittles.
for me, it smells like the very berry fruit drink packets.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
It's from like Sonic or whatever.
Stretch taste.
I don't know if it's at Sonic, but oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my
it's
god.
not even that good.
It's not that good. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that good.
Okay, the best one we got so far is the Napoleon one.
Yeah, that one was crazy.
We had to lift up the computer, bro. Let me feel.
It feels like a strawberry.
Feels like a
strawberry.
feels like a seed of the strawberry.
Oh yeah, like the seed. I just feel like the strawberry. The looks.
You are right. It looks like you just picked up like a smooth or not a smoothie, a slushy.
There is blue on here. I think for like blueberries, right?
Very berry, blueberry, strawberry, grapes.
Blackberry.
Yeah. Why?
Why is my hand like that?
It's fun. It's fun. All right, so let's put the cap on.
Time to write.
We'll be right back after we wash our hands.
Yeah. All right, we're back. Oh, so the ranking.
No, you like put them all.
Which one should we start up from? Number grape.
Let's start from number 5.
Number 5.
I feel like grape popsicle.
This one.
Why?
No stretch.
Yeah, actually, yeah. That's true. Put
There's
these to
no
the side for now.
Yeah. Number
5 goes
5.
right there. Remember, this is the lineup. Well, not like how it's. This is how it's gonna go.
Yeah, like that. Like a cross for Jesus.
Actually, we're not gonna put 4 right here. We're gonna put 4. These 2 are gonna be like this.
Yeah, like in the back. But 5 is gonna be like back.
Further back.
More back.
Alright, so 5 is gonna be.
Let's go with Napoleon.
Napoleon had too much stretch. I don't feel like we should give it a 4.
It's not a 4, definitely.
I feel like a 4 should be sweet peach. It has that super good smell and all, but it's like too grainy. Is it just
I feel
me?
like this is a 3.
Yeah, that's a 3. This will be a 4. Grape popsicle.
I don't like this.
Grape popsicle should not be in number 2.
Yeah,
It shouldn't have a lot of smell at all.
actually,
Yeah, Napoleon should be number 2 because of the stretch. Or actually,
yeah.
no.
Number 3.
Number
Number
3 for Napoleon.
Okay, I very disagree with this.
What? Very should not be in front. Napoleon, the only reason, it smells good, first of all.
It smells good. The stretch is perfect.
The look
The
looks
look.
disgusting.
No, I think the looks
Whoa,
exactly like a
not that
Napoleon
one.
ice cream.
What? It looks like it. It just looks a little. Since of the brown, it looks like. I don't know.
I think it looks exactly like a Napoleon ice cream.
It does. It does. I haven't had a Napoleon in a long time.
1, 2, 3.
So
4,
number 5 is rainbow sherbet,
Number
grape popsicle, very berry, and number 2, or is this number 3?
Number 3.
Number 3. Most of it was because of the smell.
And
It smells
then
good.
sweet peach, and then
It
the
smells
best
exactly like
Napoleon
blueberries.
ice cream.
Yep.
So
That's a
that
wrap.
would be
Yeah.
it for the video, but where's the box? If you want to get these ice creams, what? The slimes.
That feel like ice cream.
Kind of. Just look. Yeah, just go look at this. I'll keep you on this for like a little bit.
Alright.
Alright, well, you wasted your time if you weren't paying attention.
You could just pause it.
If you really want to. But,
remember, we are not advertising.
no.
Just,
This is
if you
for
want to
fun.
use the brand we did, we are giving you full permission.
Mhm.
If it looks like I have no eyebrows, it's just because I'm blonde.
Why did you have to bring that up?
Alright,
Alright,
goodbye.
Well, that will be the wrap. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and like. Peace out.